Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be reviewing the Huawei P40 Lite. In the box you can expect your ejector for your SIM cards or your memory card. You have your petal search guide, a feature that helps you find apps since there are no Google Play services. We have a quick start guide in multi-languages, of course. We have the USB to charge or transfer your media files to your PC. We have your charger, the weight and the size of it, but that's because it's a certified 40 watt supercharge, which recharges up to 70% of your battery in 30 minutes. We have your headset. Now let's have a look at the phone itself. The P40 Lite that we have here is in light pinkish blue, or as they call it, the Sakura pink. You also get it in black or in emerald green, or as they describe it as a crush green. It has a built-in battery of 4200 milliamp hours, which is a decent capacity, meaning longer battery life for given usage. Not so heavy, with a weight of 183 grams. It has a 6 GB RAM. Awesome memory, which means you can run a lot of apps at the same time, and you can go out with games without the unwanted lag. We have the loudspeaker grill at the bottom, which measures sound to -27 loudness units relative to full scale, which is good. And then also your charging unit and your audio jack. Having a look at the dual SIM slots, what I found interesting is that the first slot is for your first SIM, and then the second slot is either for your second SIM or your memory card, as it is displayed at the back of the phone. Not only does it have the sensor for fingerprint that is side mounted, but it also has the front camera for facial recognition. Now let's put the phone on for the first time. So here we have a LCD of 16.7 million colors, which is awesome. The screen resolution, which is 2310 by 1080 pixels, and then also what we notice immediately is the front camera at the top left hand side. So the operating system is the MUI, which is Android 10 based, as you can see. All the specifics are also just confirmed here. The phone has a lot of folders with pre-installed apps since there is no Google Play Store. Okay, since we have a feel of it, let's take some pics outside. Thanks guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please consider hitting the subscribe and the notification button, and I will see you guys in the next one.